Welcome to this video day, which is on how to start Forex trading and how to become a successful trader for beginners. So what I want to do here is go through the steps that you need to go through to lead you to long-term success trading the markets. So how do you get started in Forex trading? Well, the first point I would make is that everything that you need to learn a Forex strategy is actually free online. So basically, if you're coming into the markets, you'll probably want a technically based strategy, and all the information is free. All you have to do is research it and then put together a strategy for yourself. Now, that might sound a little bit intimidating. It is not. It's really easy. And you just need to do a bit of research. And what I would do is recommend you look up technical analysis in relation to swing trading, trend following and breakouts. And you'll soon be able to put together a simple chart-based strategy. It should take only a few weeks to do this at most. And if you don't want to go through doing it for yourself, there are courses online which will speed up the learning process. For example, we have a course. There's plenty of courses around. Just be careful of the ones that you select, that they teach you a method and don't just ask you to follow trading signals. Forex trading is a very personal business in terms of you actually have to have a strategy and learn it so you can follow it with confidence and discipline. So learning your strategy is easy. You also actually have to learn the right trading mindset. This is the real key to Forex trading success. If we look at the actual statistics on Forex trading, we can see over time that 90% of traders have always lost money, always will lose money. And that statistic never, ever, ever changes. Now, that shows you there's a constant that causes traders to lose. Well, that constant that causes traders to lose is lack of emotional discipline. You can have a strategy that can make money, but you've got to follow your trading signals in the market under pressure with discipline and keep going in line with your plan. Now that sounds like it should be easy, but when money is on the line, emotion comes into play and people want to deviate from their trading plan. No one wants to lose cash in the markets and everyone wants to make as much cash as possible. Now this creates a problem for most traders. What they'll do is when they're in losing positions, they'll want to let them run. They want to take that loss. They want to see that loss turn around. So they hope it turns around and comes back. It's a fatal error. You cannot do that. More times than not, that loss will not turn around and you'll lose too much. And if you take losses that are too big, eventually you're going to wipe yourself out. On the other side, with profits, you mustn't get too excited, i.e. you mustn't be greedy. You must learn when to come out the market. You must learn to hold winning trades, but you need to know when to come out and not to risk too much. You've got to run those winning trades. Now, cutting losses and running profits, that all comes from an education in the basics and the basics of learning and having confidence in your strategy. You need to know why it's going to win over the longer term so you can take the pain of losses in the shorter term. And I would advise, I've just said that everything about Forex trading can be learned for free. It can. I would advise strongly that you do a lot of research on the psychology of Forex trading and how the really professional traders, the ones who've made the millions and billions of dollars, trade. And you can find a lot of interviews online with the great traders, but if you want to get all the great traders in one place, go and buy a couple of books. They're complementary books that go together, Market Wizards and New Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. Read what they write about their trading strategies, and they'll all say they're pretty simple, and they'll all say that the real key to success is emotional discipline. Emotional discipline is not as easy to acquire as most beginners think that it is. So don't underestimate the power of emotion on you and your trading. So in terms of getting started in Forex trading, I would say learning the strategy will not take you too long at all. Then you need to basically read up on the psychology of trading and spend a good amount of time on this, in my view. But overall, you could probably learn Forex trading, get a strategy in place that you can trade with confidence in the markets and that can make money in around a month. And then you have that, what I call the reality of trading under pressure. Okay, and it takes a little while to learn to trade under pressure. Okay, with confidence and discipline. It's probably like the saying, seeing is believing, but feeling is the truth. Okay, you feel that pressure when you're trading money. It's quite different from trading a demo account. Most traders will tend to be successful in demo accounts, but real-time trading, when the pressure is on, there's money on the line, they're dealing with uncertainty, they will basically crumble under the pressure. But you don't have to crumble under the pressure. Once you have learnt your strategy and you've learnt the real key to success, and you're not frightened of losing, not frightened of risk, and you can stick with your trading plan, then you can make money. So I'd say, anyone who wants to get started in Forex trading, do your research. Shouldn't take too long, simple strategy, and then basically focus on your mindset. Read as much as possible as you can. Read regularly, I do, and stay focused on your plan over the long term. If you do that, you'll make money at Forex trading longer term and become a successful trader from home. So thank you for watching this short video on how to get started in Forex trading.